as on this date for the election of the committee of the year, this to this. Appointed as through dated this cooperative authority. That by letter dated we have intimated you that the term of our managing committee is coming to an end, and we have initiated the process of appointing the returning officer. We have intimated appointment of conducting elections of our society. Managing committee meeting dated so and so, extracts आप attach करोगे, and also state that form I and J providing list is finalized according to form I and J. The same is attached here. So this is signed by the secretary as well as officer. Acha, authorized officer. So this is to be given by the society. So if the society is under the authorized officer or an administrator, so he has to sign.
Does it represent?
No, this is the provisional intimation to the registrar about the. So this is till this time it is the role of the society. Copy of the minutes, copy of intimation letter, and provisional notice. This is the notice to the members regarding publication of provisional notice list for the year so and so. Please be informed that the society committee has held on this, scrutinized and finalized the provisional notice list. The managing committee scrutinized the details from IG registers. The committee has finalized the provisional notice list. The provisional notice list is attached here with D3. In writing, within you have to inform the returning officer, that is so and so within this period. So the 10-day जो period आपको दिया गया है, उसके अंदर आपको objection suggestion देना है. The returning officer shall be finalizing the voters list after considering your objections and suggestions if the same is submitted before finalizing the final voters list.
This is all have to give by the secretary, right?
This is to be given by the secretary. Till that time,
10 days given by the secretary to the society members, right?
till that time the society will be issuing the circulars. And henceforth, after this, once the RO has taken over, then all the other circulars will be given by the RO. From now onwards, you will see that it will be the returning officer.
When final list is finalized, then the returning officer will.
Once after the provisional voters list, whatever activities there is will be done by the returning officer. He is telling that you have to inform to the returning officer within 10 days. उतना ही लिखा है. तो वो तो secretary देगा. हाँ, that the secretary will give. So again after that, once the returning officer is come, he will again publish it and ask for 10 days from the people to members to.
It will going to be circulated.
No, not twice.
Only once.
Only once.
Exhibit 13 nikal.
Yeah.
See, once the provisional list is finalized in the committee,
Right.
the secretary, based on this draft notice, will circulate to all the members. And at the end he writes, because in this there is a name of the election officer also. If it is not written, we can write here. See, wait. Requested to bring the same to the notice of the returning officer, because before publishing the final list, provisional list of voter, returning officer is already appointed.
Yes.
His name is also mentioned that if there is any correction in this provisional list of voters, you please inform to the returning officer within so and so date. Because from the date of provisional list of voters, 10 days time is given.
Yeah.
Within that 10 days, they have to inform to the returning officer. And then returning officer will finalize the voter list.
Yeah.
So there is no, this is the only one's
The
provisional
templates
list.
given by the secretary only in their letterhead.
Correct.
Yeah. To inform the returning officer. Yeah. So again, returning officer doesn't have to do anything.
No. Returning officer need not send the provisional list of voters.
Yes. That means yeah.
Returning officer should ensure
Ensure
that it has been circulated. If it is not circulated, he should tell the secretary, please circulate.
circulate. Yeah.
Then he should start his
Process on that.
program.
Yeah.
Sir, to reply for objection, returning officer's email ID and
All that can be added ना, ये तो मेरा फॉर्मेट है. आपको इसमें फोटो भी ऐड करना है तो करो.
We can ask for copies of I and J. So while giving the secretary,
Who
secretary
can
will
ask?
have to tell secretary to ask.
Huh.
Give us mail ID, mobile number, everything on their letterhead.
Yeah, that is anyways you can ask, even other ways. Not only for the election, even other ways you can ask.
किसका रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर का?
email ID.
All that can be
everything.
given.
Yeah.
You can add that.
Instead of fee, and we have to ensure how.
Yeah.
Because that 10 days has not come.
नहीं ठीक है ना, the secretary can still write the name of the returning officer. मैडम ते आपण final book करताना just add those corrections. We can write the mobile number, we can write the email address.
Office address also.
Now there was one very important, practical question came up before the returning officer. Some candidates who wanted to contest the election, they demanded from the election officer, please give me the list of the voters along with their mobile number and email address. They are demanding. Campaigning करला ते demand करतात. Now the question is whether election officer has the jurisdiction or the authority to give anybody's personal information. Yes or no? No. The information is no. However, I told that election officer, do one thing, you prepare a circular that I am a returning officer, some of the candidates wants your mobile number and email address. Please incorporate your mobile number and email address in this circular if you want it to be given to the voters or to the candidates. तो yes है तो वो yes लिखेगा and मोबाइल नंबर एंड ईमेल डालेगा, सिग्नेचर करेगा. No है तो डैश डैश करके वो साइन करके देगा. So that there may be some people who wants to give their voters जिसको हम बोलते हैं मोबाइल नंबर एंड ईमेल आईडी, वो देना चाहते तो दे दो. I said election officer can facilitate, but you cannot give it to them. बराबर ना?
Here husband-wife relation can come into picture. If wife or husband is an election officer, he can or she can give her or his wife husband mail ID and mobile number. That will come. Sexual, yeah, that is what we saw. Election officers.
हाँ, 14. Draft letter to be given by the member to the returning officer. ये जो 10 दिन का टाइम है, if you have any objection, correction or any suggestion in that provisional voters list, you can give it in this format. As the members of the cooperative society, we are writing to you. The list I found that there is an error in this. Surname में है error या gender में है, membership number में है. I have attached necessary copies showing the corrections. I am the associate member in respect of dash holding flat. I am attaching the authority letter given by me. Suppose आपका अगर ओरिजिनल या प्रोविजनल वोटर्स लिस्ट में
उधर I am associate to joint member.
joint member लिखना पड़ेगा, right? So if this person's name has not been incorporated in the provisional voters list, he can write through this particular letter. I am authorized by the company so and so. वो भी अगर नहीं आया रहेगा तो they can incorporate in the list.
देखो ये जो फॉर्मेट है ना, ये फॉर्मेट सोसाइटी सर्कुलेट कर सकती है. प्रोविजनल लिस्ट ऑफ वोटर के साथ ये फॉर्मेट भी सर्कुलेट करना है ताकि पीपल गेट ए रेडीमेड मटेरियल. नहीं तो कैसा ऑब्जेक्शन लेना, क्या करना समझ में नहीं आता है. तो ये नाम में करेक्शन है कि वो देख सकते हैं. फिर यदि अथॉरिटी लेटर देना है तो अथॉरिटी लेटर भी आप अटैच कर सकते हो. सबके लिए लागू. एसोसिएट मेंबर माडा, एसआरए, सिडको सबके लिए लागू. Because MCS Act has been amended ना.
Provisional list name of the deceased member will come suppose.
डिसीज्ड मालूम कैसा पड़ेगा? सोसाइटी ने नहीं तो आदमी मरा है तो भी उसका नाम दिखाई देगा जब तक सोसाइटी उसको डिसीज करके डिक्लेयर नहीं करती.
मेंबर अप्रोच नहीं करते सोसाइटी.
हाँ.
तब सोसाइटी
अभी 50-100 सोसाइटी का मैनेजर ही बैठे इधर. अभी मेंबर आके अपना डैडी गुजर गए, उसका कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं देते, कुछ नहीं करता है, डैडी का नाम वैसे ही रहेगा.
या फिर वो 10 दिन के बीच में मरा होगा तो भी रहेगा. प्रोविजनल में आएगा.
तो ऑथोरिटी लेटर से साइन लेके रखा. ये सिस्टम डिक्लेयर होता है उस दिन आता है साइन लेके रखा.
So this is the next letter to be given by the returning officer to the member. Your request dated जो भी है उसका. So I am in receipt of your particular request. whatever changes have been found appropriate. अगर appropriate है तो वो he will incorporate in the list. Or the changes suggested by you are not found appropriate, so he will reject it. So depending on this, he will give the reply to those people who have submitted their objection suggestion.
देखो, let us be very clear. Returning officer is a neutral person. Any communication he receives, he has to accept under any circumstances. अपने खुद को भी वो गाली देता है तो भी आपको एक्सेप्ट करना है. And it is also equally important to respond. जैसे कि उसने अपना सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन दिया, तो आपने सजेशन ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सेप्ट किया कि नहीं किया, वो आपको इमीडिएटली एक दिन में या 2 दिन में उसको रिप्लाई देना चाहिए. Why I am saying this? So that he is entitled to take a remedial actions. Because if he wants to go to the register, returning officer ने मना किया, he may go to the registrar. Registrar ने मना किया, वो हाई कोर्ट में भी जाएगा. एक कोर्ट के लिए लोग हाई कोर्ट में भी जाते हैं. So therefore, we need to facilitate the democratic process. We cannot be hurdle to the democratic process. Democratic process में hurdle कब होता है? When we don't reply or when we don't accept. So as a returning officer, it is our duty to accept anything that we receive and then reply the way you want. Therefore, we have made these formats.
No, it depends on at what stage he is going to the court. ये में कोर्ट जाते जाते इलेक्शन खत्म हो जाएगा, स्टे ऑर्डर हो जाता है.
कोर्ट का ऑर्डर होने तक खत्म हो जाता है.
वही बोल रहा हूँ, तब तक खत्म हो जाएगा. कमिटी का ही टर्म खत्म हो जाएगा, 5 साल हो जाएगा. This is the final list of orders after taking into consideration all the objections, suggestions, and of course the joint membership and the associate membership into account. This is the final voters list which is prepared. Name of address, registration number, total members, total eligible voters, name of the member of the society, name of the representative of the member society.
So age will be mentioned somewhere.
ये है ना,
How will the society have the age of the people?
तो उसमें आई फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, आई रजिस्टर में है, पेज लिखते हैं.
Sir, if associate member stands for election after giving NFP to the final list में the first member name will be
First as well as associate.
associate name will be there in these positions.
First primary भी आएगा, primary always has the right.
So, and for the voting, the primary can go and vote. And associate can stand for the election.
No.
That is not possible.
It can be only either of them.
Right, sir. So the voting right will also be.
The first primary.
Either. Always either. First, in his absence, the other person.
For example, like if the husband is also there, wife is also there. The husband has given an associate membership right to the wife. Wife is not the
Wife not being a joint woman.
Yeah, exactly. Not really also. So wife stands for the election.
Then the husband does not have any role because anyways he has given away through that form 10A.
Okay.
So the rights have been surrendered. He has relinquished his rights.
So then he does not have a primary.
Then he will not be a primary member at all. Although as far as the books are concerned, he may be on record, but actually performance wise, the wife will be a member of the society.
He can revoke it later.
Hey, how can once somebody is elected, then you cannot call her
Not
back.
for that 5 years period, but later on.
Later on it can be done.
Husband can revoke it.
After giving the
Later on it is
automatically
automatically
valid only for 5 years.
5 years.
Automatically revoked.
Yeah, once he is given 10 years, then his name will not come. Because he has relinquished his voting rights also.
Because 10 years given for contesting the election. Otherwise, just for voting, he can give the plain letter.
Only 5 is given, both names can. Most names should come. If 10 years is given, only the name of the person who has been given. The society is appointed as the society has appointed the undersigned as the election officer in the managing committee meeting held so and so. General category 6-8 जो भी है आपका, the following number of members have to be elected under the respective constituencies, respective categories. So general category, women category, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, ये सब जितने हैं हमारे पास available है. So 6 plus 2 plus 1 2 और 8 plus 2. हाँ सेम so we are still following the model bylaws earlier.
आणि याच्यामध्ये जो लेडीज आहेत कंटेस्ट करायला तयार त्याच्यामध्ये वेकेटच आहे.
Vacant. All seats which are not being contested by that particular category shall remain vacant. You cannot fill up with any other category. So the interested members may file the nomination for the respective categories. जो category के हैं उसके हिसाब से भरेंगे. उसके बाद वो बोलेंगे कि this is the date of declaration of the election program is say suppose 1st October. तो ये पूरा प्रोग्राम है डे बाय डे दिया गया है. लास्ट डे ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशन कभी रहेगा, पब्लिकेशन कभी करेंगे नॉमिनेशन लिस्ट का, देन उसके बाद में स्क्रूटनी कब होगा, फिर लिस्ट ऑफ वैलिड नॉमिनेशन कभी करेंगे. सो दिस इज यू कैन सी हियर स्क्रूटनी उसी दिन होता है शाम को, और उसके बाद में उस दिन शाम को होने के बाद नेक्स्ट दिन दी वैलिड नॉमिनेशंस आर पब्लिश्ड, डेट बाय विच द कैंडिडेचर कैन बी विथड्रॉन. तो वहाँ पे एक 15 डेज का टाइम दिया हुआ है, यू कैन सी. तो सीरियल नंबर 5 टू सीरियल नंबर 6. देन अगेन फाइनल लिस्ट हैज टू बी पब्लिश्ड द नेक्स्ट डे फ्रॉम द 16th डे को आपको फाइनल लिस्ट आपको पब्लिश करना है. देन डेट एंड टाइम ऑफ द स्पेशल जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग ऑन विच day the polling is going to be conducted will be, it cannot be less than 7 days or not more than 15 days from that particular day. जो अपना list of publication of final list of contesting candidates है उस दिन से not earlier than 7 days not later than 15 days. वहाँ पे 15 आएगा.
15 नहीं लिया हुआ है.
15 आएगा. सर वो 15 डेज ही है ना सर खटनकर साहब. वो जो इलेक्शन का डे है इट इज नॉट अर्लियर देन 7 days and not later than 15 days ही है ना. नहीं नॉट अर्लियर देन 7 days. वो रूल्स में भी डैश ही लिखा है, रूल्स में भी डेज नहीं लिखा है, इसके लिए आपको पूछना. रूल्स में डे नहीं लिखा है. तो मैं नहीं लिखा, मुझे पता है. तो आई थिंक इट हैज टू बी 15 days सर.
It is 15 days.
हाँ
15
15
days.
days.
Second line of the 15 days.
So त्या period मध्ये त्यांना select करावं
हम्म
लागेल.
एग्जैक्टली. नॉट लेटर देन 15 days. किधर लिखा है क्या किसी में? नहीं उन्होंने कहीं से तो देख के बताया.
नहीं सर, ये कंसल्टेड.
अच्छा, ओके.
सर 6 अप्रैल का नोटिफिकेशन उसमें नहीं है. 6 अप्रैल का नोटिफिकेशन अभी ऐसा ही दिया है.
इसके लिए उधर भी नहीं दिया है.
नाही दिया.
तो ठीक है. एनीवेज दैट इज आई थिंक इट शुड बी 15 days सर ना. बिटवीन 7 and 15 days. So not earlier than 7 days and not later than 15 days. So date of declaration of result 3 दिन का टाइम दिया हुआ है, बिकॉज काउंटिंग के लिए 3 दिन का टाइम दिया है. तो काउंटिंग जो इमीडिएटली, बट यू हैव टू डिक्लेयर इट immediately after counting, but for counting you have been given 3 days.
I'll tell you the later date. 7 days, it cannot be prior to 7 days. Because at least 7 days should be given to campaign. ठीक है. Later का क्या है व्याख्या? Within 60 days you have to complete the election program. The term of committee also is getting over. From the day you are appointed, within 60 days you have to complete 10 days for the suggestion objection of the provisional list of voter. Then another 10 days for finalizing the voter list. Then another 1 or 2 days for publishing the final voter list. And thereafter 5 days for receiving the application. ऐसा करते 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 not later earlier than 7 days but later than 60 days from the date originally you have published the election from the day from first day. Then में है ना, that cannot be later than the expiry of the term of the present committee. 60 days का पहले उनको अपॉइंट करना है ना. Are you getting my point? उधर इसके लिए डैश डाला है.
Is there any mandatory provision that the election RO should be appointed particular days before the date of election?
Yes, 60 days. इलेक्शन का 60 डेज का पहले उसका अपॉइंट होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए. Okay, मतलब आज अगर आज भी अपॉइंट करते तो यहाँ से 60 डेज के बाद ही इलेक्शन होगा, उसके पहले नहीं करता.
थोड़ा कम हो सकता है बट मैक्सिमम 60 डेज.
मैक्सिमम 60 डेज.
So even after 30 or 45 days, it is still
Correct.
वो some 50 almost 50 तक पहुंचता है 48
ये 30 डेज तो इसी में चले जाते हैं, फिर थोड़ा कैंपेन टाइम दिया ये दिया था कि 45 डेज के बाद भी हो सकता है,
बराबर.
बट नॉट लेटर देन 60.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you.
15 days का authority है, 60 days के अंदर.
So the date
Term doesn't
डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर सोसाइटी उसका डेट वहाँ पे आएगा, जो भी डेज आएगा 10 आएगा 12 आएगा 15 आएगा जो भी आएगा. यहाँ पे 10th में it has to be changed the second column immediately after voting is complete नहीं, immediately after the counting is complete.
सर अभी जैसे हम लोग को 15 मार्च तक का टाइम है, 60 डेज से अगर आज से चालू किया 60 डेज के अंदर नहीं हुआ और ये हमारा रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर 70 दिन में हो गया तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि हमारी एक्सटेंडेड डेट 15 मार्च
नहीं, extended date 15 March is the deadline. It is not told that you have to utilize that till 15th March. You have to complete before 15th March. So, but the start date will count. When you start it from that date, from that day, you have to complete it within 60 days. So it may coincide with 15th March, but not necessary that you have to stretch till 15th March. कुछ लिखा नहीं है.
If it is taking more than 60 days, there is no problem. But the term, before the expiry of the term of the committee, you have to do. Suppose you don't conduct the election, please. If you don't conduct the election before the expiry of the term of the committee, then there is a vacuum. And during that vacuum, you are ceased to be the committee member. And there can be administrator. So many issues, complications can come. So therefore, within 60 days, it has to be completed.
Term of the committee is already over.
Now there you are given 6 months time, na? Now the law itself has given you 6 months time. Therefore, before 16th March 2022, you have to complete.
सर इसमें 2 घंटे का टाइम है बुकिंग के लिए, उसका मतलब कितना है स्टूडेंट के हिसाब
नहीं नहीं, इधर तो एग्जाम्पल दिए.
ये एग्जाम्पल है. आप है ना, मान लो एक सोसाइटी में 200 मेंबर है, तो फिर मेंबर नंबर 1 टू मेंबर नंबर 25 यू कैन कॉल इन द फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर, उसके बाद दूसरा हाफ एन आवर, ऐसा करते करते.
और अगर वो बाद में लेट आएगा बोलेगा तो
देखो अगेन, बिफोर द, सुन लीजिए, बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द वोटिंग टाइम, if anybody appears, you have to give them the chance. Timing is given. अभी आप बोलेंगे वोटर नंबर 1 to 25 should come 10 to 10:30. उसमें से 10 आदमी आ गया, 15 आदमी आधा घंटे के बाद आया. That does not mean that you should refuse. You have to accommodate.
Because the election timing is there, no?
Correct.
For the whole day.
This is only, जैसे आपको पता है ना, प्लेन के अंदर जाते टाइम वो बोलते हैं ना, टिकट नंबर 1 to 15 आप आ जाओ, तो 16 and 25 बाद में आ जाओ. बट पहला नंबर वाला लास्ट में आता है तो उसको एंट्री मिलता है ना. सी, आई एम सेइंग अगेन, एज ए रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर वी हैव टू गिव मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट टू द वोटर.
क्लोजर के बाद में
सर जो टाइम आपका खत्म होने के बाद में एंटरटेन नहीं कर सकते हो, बट विद इन द टाइम यू कैन अलाउ एनीवन टू कम एंड वोट. 11 to 6 करते हैं तो 6 के बाद में क्लोज है, उसके बाद 6:30 को somebody comes, you may refuse. You may refuse.
सर वीके पे रख देगा ना.
ये जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग का नोटिस है on the letterhead of the society. Sir, letterhead of the society. conduct the special general body meeting of society at this time. I am the returning officer who has been appointed, and with reference to the above, we would like to inform that the special general body meeting of society is scheduled on this at this time, along with the notice. Hereby give the copy with inform all the brief election process for electing the committee of the society for the year dash to dash. Agenda में है to conduct the election of the managing committee as per bylaw 114. Total number of members required this much. Number of members to be elected category wise दिया गया है. Then please be informed that if the number of candidates with nomination paper have been declared valid does not exceed the number of candidates to be elected, then the returning officer shall declare them duly elected unopposed. So इसमें polling का आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा first case में. Second case में the number of candidates are more than the number of seats. Obviously there will be a secret ballot. Kindly attend the meeting and cast your votes.
Later भी कर सकता है during also time.
This notice will give ये कितना दिन प्रायर नोटिस देना पड़ेगा?
You have लिखा ना 7, not before 7 days and not after the expiry of 60 days.
See, the society meeting is of whose? Meeting is of the society. The rules authorizes the returning officer to call the special general body meeting to declare the results. So therefore he can ask for the letterhead from the committee and use that, or he can make a computerized letterhead. Suppose he doesn't want to do all that, he himself can write, I returning officer का letterhead भी use कर सकते हैं.
अपना लेटर बना दे काम करो.
ठीक है ना? But basically it is better to write on the society's letterhead because people will understand and identify. And there is nothing wrong for an election officer to use the society letterhead because it is a society general body which is going to happen by the authority given by the rules.
Where is the nomination form for members of the
E7 सब नीचे आ रहा है. E5, E7 है. Right.
अरे election program को तो timing तो
Which page number?
election program 117.
Hmm.
8 PM and every timing is ना 5 PM.
So that is indicative, sir.
5 PM पर्यंत तुम्ही आणून देऊ.
हाँ.
ऐकून घ्या, एक मिनिट. तुम्ही 3 वाजता लिहू शकता, तुम्ही 10 वाजता लिहू शकता. आपण काय झालं प्रोग्राम तुम्हाला एक टेंटेटिव्ह डेट दिलाय तुमच्या माहितीसाठी. आता काय होतोय लास्ट डेट ऑफ मेकिंग नॉमिनेशन तुम्ही 5/10/2021 लिहिलं, रात्री 12 वाजता तो घेऊन येईल. तुमचं बायको तुम्हाला ओरडते म्हणून ते नको. आपण एवढ्या वेळेपर्यंत तुम्ही आणलं तर चालेल. बरोबर. नाही तुमच्या घरी नको ना पार्टनर.
सूर्यास्ताची वेळ वगैरे अशी का?
हा
सूर्यास्ताची वेळ वगैरे असते ना.
तुम्ही सूर्यास्ताचा वेळ बघून पंचांग लिहा. 6:21 PM. तुम्ही तुमच्यावर आहे अवलंबून. तुम्ही रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर आहे. ठीक आहे. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी टू इन्फॉर्म यू. कुठे आहे तुमचं पुस्तक? आज आपल्या बरोबर श्री प्रसाद बरोबर आहे सर?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Sri Prasad Parab. He is an advisor, advocate, he is a consultant. In fact, we are doing lot of committees in the government. त्या गव्हर्नमेंटच्या कमिटीमध्ये सुद्धा साहेब असतात, त्यांच्याबरोबर मी पण असतो. आम्ही दोघं एकत्र नवीन कायद्यामध्ये काय दुरुस्ती असेल ते असेल करतो. तर साहेबांनी आणि त्यांच्याबरोबर एक राजेश लवेकर म्हणून डेप्युटी रजिस्ट्रार आहे. If you know him, he was in the S ward registrar. So now he has become a deputy registrar. हे दोघांनी मिळून इलेक्शन वर एक पुस्तक काढलेलं आहे. मी म्हटलं आजचा दिवस बरा आहे, आपण इनॉग्रेशन करू आणि आपल्या सर्वांना. आणि पुस्तक अतिशय उत्कृष्ट आहे, चांगलं आहे. आमचा मॅन्युअल एकदम एक्झॉस्टिव्ह आहे. खूप नको ते गोष्टी पण टाकलेल्या आहे, पण दिस इज व्हेरी कॉम्पॅक्ट. लिमिटेड आणि मोठ्या अक्षरनी आणि चांगला फॉर्मॅट पण दिले. मी म्हटलं ना, वॉट एव्हर फॉर्मॅट इट इज गिवन, ऑल दीज आर आवर फॉर्मॅट्स. सिमिलरली सम अदर फॉर्मॅट इन अ सिम्पल फॉर्मॅट ऑल्सो इज गिवन इन दिस बुक. तर आम्ही आता उद्घाटन करतो.
ओके. अनुभव आहे त्याप्रमाणे they have written this book. This is much smaller book, very compact book and easy to understand. आणि very importantly,
easy to carry also.
Easy to carry, and most importantly they have written it in the form of question answer. We have also given a question answer, but that question answer is at the end, but their question is answer is at the beginning, and everywhere they have used the word question and then answer. Rule सांगितला, question टाकला, नंतर answer टाकला, नंतर format टाकला. So in a systematic way it has been done. Congratulations to you. आणि पुस्तक अवेलेबल आहे, त्याची किंमत 190 रुपये. 195.